Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this other video on hyperbola, we're going to see how to determine the standard or the general equation of a hyperbola given certain information. And the first thing to note is the set of information that would be necessary for you to be able to get the equation of a hyperbola. The first is the center, and then the your A and B, and then you should be told how the hyperbola opens. Is it to the left and right, or up and down? You recall we said that when it opens to the left and right, then you are going to have your x squared come first before your y squared. And then when it opens up and down, you're going to have your y squared come first before your x squared. Right, so that's why you need this other information. Okay, so quickly let's draft the equations of these given hyperbolas. Okay, so here we have for the first one A, we are given that the center is 2 7, and then your A is 6 and your B is 3. Okay, so you recall that when our equation opens to the left and right, this is the nature of our standard equation, sorry, is equal to x minus h all squared. So if that is the case, then it means that the equation for example A, it's going to be x minus, what is our h? Our h is the x coordinate of the center, and so that is minus 2 all squared all over our a is given as 6 squared, and that is minus the y part, which is y minus our y component of the center, which is 7 all squared all over our b squared, that is 3, and that is equal to 1. And so with this, we can easily now see that our equation is x minus 2 all squared all over 36, and that is minus y minus 7 all squared over 9 equal to 1. And this is the required standard form. So if they now want us to put it in general form, you will just open up this bracket, and that will give you your required equation. Okay, so now for example B. Okay, so for our B, we are told that our center is this, and this is our A and B, and it opens up and down. Okay, so recall that for opening up and down, your y will come first minus your k all squared, and so that's going to give us then our equation will become y minus our k, in this case is 1, all right, all squared, and that is over our b, and b squared is 4 minus our x minus h. So when you do minus minus 9, you are going to get plus 9 all squared, which is all over a squared, and that is 49, and that's equal to 1. So in this particular example or video, I'm quickly showing you how to generate your equations when you are given these informations. And for the last one, which is C, we are asked to find if our, all right, so here we are given that our center is this, our A is this, and B is this, and it opens to the left and to the right. Okay, so recall the equation. The only difference here is just the nature of the standard equation. If it opens to the left and right, x comes first. If it opens to the up and down, then y comes first. So here we will just rewrite our equation as x minus h all squared. So what then is our h? Our h in this equation is 0, because we are not giving, sorry, they gave the x coordinate as 0. So when you subtract 0 from x, you still have x, or x squared, and then all over a, our a is 2 root 6, and then you take the square of it, and that's minus our y, which is y minus our k here is minus 8, and so minus minus will be plus, so we'll have plus 8 all over our b, which is 4 squared, and that is equal to 1. So if we simplify what we have, we will simply get that our equation in standard form is x squared. If you square the denominator here, you're going to have 4. That's for the square of 2, and the square of root 6 is 6. So 4 times 6 is 24. So we have 24 minus y plus 8, all squared, then all over the square of 4 is 16, and that is equal to 1. And this is the standard form. Recall that all of these are in standard form, and to move it to general form, in case you're asked, we have already done that in the previous video. Just expand the brackets and then take away the fractions, and whatever you have, move everything to the left hand side and then equate it to 0, and that gives you the general form if required. However, this is where we end it for this video. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and share our videos, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye.